Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I definitely am looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, and I'm still not even convinced the wave 3 is over. Most wave 3s do go to at least a 161.8 before they actually make a wave 4, and then another attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. So based on that, we potentially are, but maybe 6, 8 months away from this trend being over. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, this is the bigger wave 1, the bigger wave 2 of that trend on the monthly. Then this is all subdivisions of the wave 3. So this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and I do still believe we're in that wave 3 of, or the wave 5 of wave 3 right now. Now the 2500 definitely seems like a pretty likely area to get a pretty significant bounce, but the 61.8 actually lines up with that 161.8 on the monthly time frame, which is right around the 2540 area, 2550 area. So I still think that that 61.8 might be more likely, but the 2500 I think is a more reliable area for a bounce. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the end of a wave 4 right here. Then this is a 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, and this is probably the 4 of 5. I think we are in that wave 5 right now, and I think it's at least going to go to the 2500 before we get a significant pullback, and I think it more likely should go to that 61, which is right around the 2540, 2550 area. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where we have a Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. We already got 1, 2, 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level, so it may just keep on trending up from here. The trend is up on the higher time frames, and the trend is your friend, so I definitely would continue to look for longs unless we have some sort of a significant break of structure to the downside on the 4 hour or daily time frame. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now we got our Fibonacci on this little push right here. Now, like I said on the 4 hour, this definitely already looks like it made an ABC crescent right here. It's definitely 3 waves down to a Fibonacci. I think it went to the 38% Fibonacci on the 4 hour time frame. So odds are that the crescent is probably already over. Odds are that we are currently in a crescent to just this last push up right here. So very likely it's just going to go down to a Fibonacci level, which I don't really know which level, but whichever level it decides to go to is fine by me because we should better recognize it. You know, 1, 2, 3 waves down, nice impulsive and golfing up, especially if it makes a break of structure at a Fibonacci level is exactly what I would be looking for another long opportunity for the continuation of what I think is a wave 5 on the much, much higher time frames. A wave 3 of wave 5, actually. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.